guys, we have a new device here. The model was A1502 Macbook Pro Retina 13 inch. The problem was it's not working, the trackpad and the keyboard. See the caps lock not working, but it is working the power button. So what we're going to do now, we will open the device and check what's the problem inside. As usual, we will be using the Pentalobe number 5 to open the back cover. Guys, as you can see, there is liquid spill. I saw right away when I opened the device. Guys, as I flipped the motherboard, I saw a lot of liquid here. So this is the problem. I noticed also that there is no liquid on the trackpad. This is the backlight keyboard backlit connector, guys. All we have to do for this time, we just have to clean this one for the liquid spill and check if have some loose connection. We just have to remove this corrosion. I think backside was okay. There are no main parts damaged. Only on this side. Keyboard and trackpad connector, I think it's fine. For cleaning liquid damaged parts, I use this solvent. It is very cheap and affordable for low profile technician like me. It is very affordable. All you have to do is to brush it off. Make sure there is no liquid left. Don't worry if you hit any sensitive parts. This kind of solvent, uh, it will not damage the plastic or anything. You can spray it all over and let it dry. After some thorough cleaning, we have this result. I noticed that there is some pin. I think two pins. I'm not sure if it is loose, so I will just make sure it is not loose. I will make some resolder, then we will try it again. I notice also this hole here is not connected. There is a connection from this circuit to the back. Guys, after making sure it is all connected now, we will check it. We will try again if the keyboard and trackpad is working. So let's assemble it back. Guys, we will not put the all the screws yet. We will just check if it is working now, the keyboard and the trackpad. Just make sure everything is connected. Then we will try. Guys, moment of truth. We will check. So now guys, as you can see, the trackpad is working, and we will try the keyboard. Yeah, now the keyboard also is working. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is not like very deep technical solution. This solution, all of us can do it, you know. Do not believe if the technician told you it is very difficult to repair, because sometimes it's just you just have to clean it, and just it's just common sense, guys. Clean the liquid spill, then reconnect all the lost connection. Sometimes the pins are damaged, but most of the time you can reconnect it, even the parts, you know, the main parts. So if you can do it, just try. All we do for this device, we just clean it, the liquid, and reconnect every lost connection we see. I mean, every lost connection we saw on the motherboard. So it's just maybe 3 pins lost connected. So that's it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed if I have new videos. Then take care and God bless.